So in the S10, messing with the shifter, marking holes and stuff. Got the cable right here. Oh, cable for it. I decided to go with a B&M shifter since it's a cable shifter. This one's it's a lever shifter, I guess. So there's the new shifter bracket, new cable bracket on the tranny. There's the line. Just gotta make the plate for it. So basically what I'm gonna do, screw this all down inside there and bolt this on there. This is a piece of bed, a tailgate actually. It's dented and stuff, so. I just got the shifter bolted to the plate. I don't have that bolt, unfortunately, but I'll bolt it up and put it in there and screw it down to the cab floor. Alright, so got this piece of metal in here. Had to drill more holes through there and there because I was going through the floorboard also. And then up here, those go through. Just screwed it down. The guy before me, I guess, made this truck manual, so cut holes and fixed holes before I did. So, but yeah, about to put the shifter on. Then I gotta drill a big fat hole so I can run the cable through, connect it to the shifter. So that's what it looks like sitting in there. The screws right here to hold this up. This is broken, it always falls, but it's just sitting in there for now. I'm about to run the cable to it, and tighten it up and stuff. Alright, so I just finished bolting in the shifter. All those screws are that plate that I put in. And those 3 main bolts are the shifter. It's supposed to have one more bolt right there, but I have to get one. I don't have it. And now I just gotta drill a hole. And it's somewhere around right here. Put my shifter cable through it so I can connect it to the shifter. Oh yeah, that's that. So is that fully bolted in? It's all tight. This is for the plastic that goes around it. That also, gotta put the trim on. Should look better. This is real dirty though. Gotta clean it. But works good. Finally got the shifter cable on. Drill the little hole right through the floor. Got some parts for the S10, fresh oil, oil filter, some plug wires, valve cover gaskets, putting these valve covers back on it. Got some spark plugs, some fuel line. Yeah. Picked up these valve covers for the other truck really, because I really don't like the chrome. I'd rather have black. Right, so the radiator line's on. Down here, tranny lines. I got this one all done up. And this bottom one, I think I'm having trouble with is getting this to thread into that hole. It's being a pain. But I got the plug in. Bottom line's on. Still need belts. Oh, I swapped the valve covers back to black. Distributor's in. It's not in the right spot. I'm just about to put oil in it. Got the new oil filter on.